you need to go into nature. I will spare you the specifics, but it was really something where it's not just like, okay, yeah, do like 20 minutes. It's actually longer. Yeah, so, but better speak to her about it if you're interested. Anyway, and then I thought, okay, again, wow. I mean, first of all, this is also sacrifice. Where do you cut out that time? Because you want to do all these great things. Where do you cut out the time? And how can you almost like hack yourself to understand that if you're then going through it? Because I knew, well, I wanted to change. Yeah. So you want to do the change. And then you have someone like that explaining to you how you can help yourself, like, enable yourself to do it. And this is also something which absolutely blew my mind. I think can be also a combination, because if you really shut yourself off of it, that's of course important, phone off, and then go into nature, and then the combination of the nature and probably also the movement itself, it's extremely grounding.